guys. Hello guys, this is Jordan on the telly. This is my second ride of the week. Yeah. And I got a head mount. Alright James, how about it? We're going to start schmobbing. James, you're taller. And you actually work out.
No, I don't.
Yes you do. Okay guys, like and subscribe to Jordan on the telly. Alright guys, dip. This shit hurts on my head. It's hella tight. Ow! Wait. Yeah, it's on. Okay, let's go, guys.
Where are we gonna go?
The trails. And hit downtown again.
Where the fuck's downtown?
Where are we going then? Where then, Gabe? That. Okay. Schmob there. Let's go to Walmart because they're gonna scream at me for having this on my head. Because
Look at this shit. Look at this fucking brake, alright?
Okay.
Bruh, like, this brake's better than yours.
No, it isn't. Nico. Is the blue light on? The blue light. That's on. Oh yeah. Alright, so
You got a GoPro and you still a worm?
yeah, it's fine.
That ain't no GoPro. Give the GoPro to like Michael.
It's not.
Huh?
I know it's not.
I GoPro to one of you. Give the GoPro to me.
No.
That looks hella sick. That GoPro?
It's hella small. I swear to God.
Right, you're a worm. Don't take me. What? What does that have to do with going to Walmart? Yeah, exactly. What does that have to do? How the fuck do you get right? You've already been here before.
Alright, let's go. Alright, Gabe. Alright, Gabe.
Give me advice. You're a fucking worm. Shut up.
I know.
Is this on?
Yeah.
It's okay. Jordan's a worm.
Alright, so Walmart, right? Alright, so.
Wait, where are we getting on?
No.
Jordan, stop. Stop, let me get this shit.
Hey, I know you got blocks. I'm still. Hey.
You don't got blocks.
I'm learning.
Let me get this light.
Okay.
No, I'm not sure. Good ass light.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. That's it. Okay. It's not. It's just like. It's. I'm only what?
Let him call you a worm.
Yeah, I know. I'm a big ass worm. I'm a worm and I like it. I'm a worm. I'm a worm.
With the GoPro? Yeah.
I'm a worm and I like it.
Why are you going to this?
Because I'm bored. I'm not gonna get almost hit by a truck. is... Bro, the Fiat! The whole ass Fiat. The whole ass Fiat. I'm in the bike lane. I'm in the bike lane. Ooh, that Corvette. Sheesh. Oh, there's more kids. I think. That was a bit excessive.
Do a wheelie. Do a wheelie.
He follows me on TikTok. Alright, Gabe.
What?
Do some work. Yeah, Gabe. Nico! The pizza man. No. Huh? All the way back there. Let's turn around. Ah! I'll just wait for him. Yeah. I don't know. He left. I don't know. Not to. Hey Siri. Call Nico. Bro, where's he at? Did he dip off? Huh? Okay, bye. He has to go. Huh? Yeah, I know. Car. Bro, look at this. My legs. Oh shit. Okay, Gabe. You good? Huh? You're on one right now. Just pass me. Huh? Sorry, Jason. Alright. Some warmos up here. Got. Yeah. We got one warmo and a second warmo. And I'm the third one. You can see, let's see what's forward. Not me. He's really good. He's absolute fucking wormish. You're a worm. Pop it up! I tried to. Do you have cash on you?
Nope.
Oh. I'm spending more.
Yeah, because maybe you wanted something.
Huh?
There's nowhere else to ride to.
Oh, yeah, true.
I don't want to ride hella far.
What? Do you guys want anything? Is it too good?
Brian Heyman?
Do you want?
No.
Do you want something?
Can I come in with you?
Sure. Sure.
Will he watch our bikes?
Huh?
Will he watch our bikes?
Yeah.
So I'm not on the team. If one of my old coaches, I can not.
I'm gonna just get a drink. No, I don't want this.
Two for $4.
No.
You get one of them that says 2 for $4.
I'm done. Oh, one then? I'm good.
It's a beautiful day out here today. Too bad we're both working, man.
What?
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Have a good one.
do that? Here. Oh, now you have a bag.
Oh, what do you mean?
Oh,
Because they don't have zipper pockets. Yesterday I had zipper pockets.
I saw a car yesterday. Alright, is this a good angle? I feel like it looks like a
recording at all times.
Yeah. Well, no. I have a button on in my bag that can do it. Alright, let's go. So where now? Yeah. Okay. Hey. Alright. Alright. You sure you don't want anything?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have a fucking lot. It's fine.
Okay. Like this, like that. I'm trying to be like me. Tooth milk. Don't get hurt. I'm not paying for it. No, him. Gabe. How far is it? Oh, okay. Ooh, the Honda. Every dad car. That black Honda, every dad car. This is Jordan on the telly, you on a bike ride. Sorry.
No, it's not good.
Thank you. Sorry. Gabe. Great day to ride. Are the lights broken?
No lights are gonna turn on.
They're all red. Yeah, they're all red. Oh, that's weird. That was hecka weird. Yeah, we know. I'm gonna jump over this. Ooh, the Dodge Challenger. Damn, that looks nice. Ooh, oh my god. What race car is that? That Range Rover. That's a whole camo car. I didn't even see it. Yeah. Bro, it's just 4 wheels. No. I only saw the seats and all that. I didn't even see the whole frame. I think I've been here. Jason. Imagine. Why did we go on the sidewalk? Ah. Lose it. Oh, this part. I think I've been here. Probably haven't. I'm funny. Oh. Huh? Where's that at? No, I'm good. That's a bit too. Ooh. Cute doggo. Bro. Ooh. Huh? Yeah.
You can go downtown. You want to, bro? This is literally gonna be the only fun place to go.
Yeah. That's why I.
Are you guys both allowed to go downtown?
Are you?
My parents don't give a shit. Oh, they don't?
Yeah.
As long as it's not a different city, they don't give a shit.
So you can ride down to Fairfield. It's a nice park over here. It's a nice park. Okay, Jason, okay. Sorbet. Good burps. Dang, that Toyota Corolla, it's got bodied. We don't talk about it. I feel like he's gonna turn left. I knew it. I knew it too. What?
Literally a Rocket League car right there.
Ow. We're in the bike lane. We're okay. Narnia.
You can go to downtown the left. Okay, I know how we're gonna get there.
Okay. Again. Oh, go.
Oh, go. Oh, is this car turning?
No. So, right?